Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
And it's a beautiful Monday. Beautiful Monday morning, folks. Mobia Kwaba, the Bahenkai 93.3 FM. 27 minutes into 10. And you tune into the best mid morning. Here, trust me. Right, so my name is Jenny Mechampon Boatin Cosmos. Call me Abranti Pa, the perfect gentleman. Call me Bruce Man. Call me Governor Costi. Show produced by DJ Shabo. And now to Pahin Akosia the Padumas. Abushia Fanano Pay Mobia Chimobia Kwaba, the Bahin Kai 93.3 FM. So, Juma no Wasuguswa with you. And in the meantime, if you do speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Gantete, if you speck F1, Brekume Poeteme, if you speak Awazaya de Frafralaone, if you speak Grushi Kreta, if you speak in the Marcordia, if you speak Fancy or today, and if you do speak Key, me pacho who part to say, or Nankasa at the say. And then you Juada, Nako Pasha, and so by a whole by a pan. Wajia fro su for video mo nanka enye se nanka ya no pay nanka wo mo pay no gwase e pay wo pay o say na so Nyankopon ti ase o mo hye de nyina mbe mu dia na no pay wo say Nyankopon na so dai de ma no ano pay bia wo bia no pe ja onsa ko wie mu na ka se rade me da wase se ya wado etina me da so ameti ase etima tonjo no maka o kase ya chiro eya wado na sorry me da na se na eya don't
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscaline and I'm tuning to Kwabna Costi.
Matonjo na mabo samrani eya wado omo ninga bie mede wasidako matonjo na mabo samrani ni ami wo bia no papa ya wado enya ma won ofa bi enya mesika ketewa bi enya majuma bi a meye na emoma ya wo Kristo wado anopeme bon samna ne that was it. Maybe I can say me I love God for one reason. I love God for just one reason. And then I say, you see, you did bonny baby, regardless your bonny a yedi in your man kitchen kitty be a yedi tiana hinie. But still, Oboy Hobine, still, Oshayan so, still, the Obony phone summa fidia bia, watching a free way in a Nanka yam fata Nyankopon ni monyamompo. Nanka me no mi nunka yam fata po sade ba chinye. Because ye suban en fata Kristo ni. Na so Nyankopon on hwe ye bone so ni yendi. Omo hye bebre. Na so bone homode yi free wanyina mu. Asedan kan din konkro no. Ena ya joada. Ye bada Nyankopon asese na joada bia no. Ye ja no. Baby a phone to now for what me afraid than Yankopon say. Wash so pass from Kubia or the Adomo. I am a tag can't send be said. eti paye bi e bo wa top para one Ghana city no sati paye ne bo bi e na oda mochre saka na wo fo nya do ko bae no saka no obi fu ye na ye twa ne nan sa police case na wunya na ukọ ho one day pe no obi nya sa same case e na won san won e nyankopon e na dom e na daruma. I love God. I love God. I love God. Check us up como bibiara wo fidie da Henkan 93.3 FM. Juma no wasugu so awutie. Your friend me Kobe na Costi. Abrante Pod the perfect gentleman. DJ Shabo ha. Na to pa hin so ofia. Right, so I'll bring you motivational message in the Jiffy. Stay tuned. And now for your bro famous birthday question of the day. Get the bro. And last week Friday I promised you say my bro AMB my one. Matisse eviction of family no. But still a son of one woman. Debbie, now what Treminian do assassin. I call you a todd as Debbie. I mean the spirit. It's me this uncommon is here. Be free home. Kobe praise. Good morning. Bright Weezy. Medicine. Super. I don't pay me church. Good morning.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti. Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti. This is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti. Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning into Kwabena Kwesti.
And of course, on Kwani, I did a chair, I'll bet him I'll try and quite full frobia, any baby. A quite full frobia, any baby. On Kwani, I see a dinner chair, bet him I'll try and papa. Oh, my days. Right, I'm my motivation. I say, my mission crying on a pain. So this morning, what I want to tell you is just simple and tietia. So on the motivational message, my very bills of being. Now listen, if you want to do something, just do it and stop lying with the lies to yourself. Just do it. Go ahead and do it. If you really want to do something, just do it. And stop the lies you tell yourself and others. Next year, I make cancer and say, you see, you want to call for me sometimes. Or man got such a control. Now, in front of the channel, when they say, Seminia Sikabia, Mesha Bibias. You are one gas, I wouldn't say the Biasikawa. Dear, and call for me to me catch a Mose 5 CD and fan Sidney. Upon Chanam Sika, young fan Toby. Metia, I am Mr. Say. Yes, 2 CD, 5 CD now, and top. Maybe but a top punch now. It's 2 CD, no bob, no, to me 50 CDs will more with him, sir. Exhibit the upper Savoy and a man cast out old Chancy Cacassia Bian Saway. Jason Tron, our catcher on and Conforno. Said me, them were drew pound. Or between I said, Charlie plants and a dorsal, Nancy Sicano, Sicano. That would be weak a little. That would be Biano. That would be real pork. Says he can all boab one. And can wait to me as share or plants and I say. This morning, if you want to do something, just do it and stop the lies you tell yourself and others. Ucha Hondro. One Casan Ucha Hondro. I assume you'll be I will be. And it's what you will be I will be. Nancy or more work could draw. And the Oma Maya ready set. Pebble abono. Safo no mo daya so ebe mu ma wo. Safo no mo ni so ade ehu ebe mu ma wo. E tu be so ye businessman. Enso wanga sa wo twen se wo benya sika bi ansa wa hye business na se. Mi wa sika na wo de we pork no. Sika na wo de we club no. Sika na wo de girls mo de chile no. Sa sika de timi hye business ase ma ne ye. E ti ade na wo da ho. Ade na wanga sa wo twa wo hontro. Wanga sa wo kachira wo se wo twen sika bi. Masa sika na wo se no no. Eti fe bibi. Fe bibi na chance here. You see, everyone can dream. Everyone can dream. And it's only the bold and the committed who can live their dreams vegetating. Of course. Very true. Yenya ye woni so ade hu. But yenya ye wa kukuduro ni yenya ye krado ye ready say. Ye ni so ade hu ni bebe hu no. Yes, I phone a baby my. What's in common? I'm in good year. Am I communicating? And I am and Dada. I did see this senya upanana winning. And Dada. Once I will catch that almost a winning business. I'll buy now we're 25 years. And now we're 30. 5 years I've been seeing still in your business no. Sika chrono. I see a poso crank abedu. Me pacho man twen sika pudu obiansa. Ofia se se wo hye bibia se. Kakra na mpanifo se abo akokọ ode no musuo. Etiano pay me futu asema me de ma no. Etietia, if you want to do something, just do it and stop the lies you tell yourself and others. Go ahead and do it. You only need to stay focused. Focus again on your dream. Baby, what they are saying? Solaya baby girls. Solaya ngo pantwa. People so call sorrow say tables and bottles so say there. Udia grow. In a joke. But I will pay 20 years, and now I'm for business savings. After my business, be as here. Also, a frame. Say, Jessica, Papa. Say a chrono. Say a fraud. Come on. I want in your day. I can't a crown. I should be as right. So this morning, this is my daily dose of motivation. 44 minutes past the hour, 10. Still tuning in to Ahinkan 93.3 FM. I'm still in the mood. Right, you're my friend Nyanko Ponce. Yeah, you're my friend Nyanko Ponce. Right, so let's do this song from MOG Music. Preaching on him, mercy. I love this song, trust me.
Jesus, we are me,
right, nti afre ye be bia tum na so wetimi afre da Nyankopon ase. Sane adwada bia ye no no. Adwada bia no ye da Nyankopon ase e wo adwuma so. Because Nyankopon no so. Nti me no mi enu ye bebo makasa Nyankopon so. Right, so wetimi afre 0554820910. 0554820910. 0201944485. Na ya da Nyankopon ase na no pay. So wa hwe ye so aboye ho ban pa. 0554820910. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Me ba jo frost na ka friend.
The fellow paid me cafe treatment.
Right. Me ba jo mami ti ono pay. Da nyame ase.
Me da nyame ase so wa hwe me so ma department. Me da se think when boni bi an ti me da na ase. Me ase.
Right. Yes, so that's so free. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba jo frost na ka friend.
I feel comfort
Right, comfort ase na me ba jo mami ti we.
Yeah, o charge of Nyankopon ase. So wa boy ho ban. I feel
Easy.
Yes, so ma ya ko si on kra no. In fact, what dey go to be ni po mu si o. Enye ni pa keto a. Yes, ya dum ene hu mo bro. Era di hu mi ni mabusi ana te da fati ase. E mo je di mo afusani na te chema da bodwema. Be di atda PSC a eni ka bia na de ma osoro Nyankopon.
Right.
Amen.
Amen. Hello, good morning. Atiatum 0554820910 0554820910 na 0201944485. Hello, good morning. We so atiatum 0201944485 0201944485 and 0554820910. I think it's a Vodafone and a TT2 and MTN. Right, and the Yenye Vodafone 0201944485 0201944485. Now, for I also bet me a friend not what that Nyankopon as an pay. Right, hello, good morning. Obatono. Hello, good morning. Bra. There be odin komo. Yamfa. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Me ba cho frost ka se friend.
Why me need to come here because PCM yo.
Right, kwame me ba cho no paper minti we.
I been get here and pay them den nyame ase. Ede ma o man Ghana. This e o man ni ma asunje o man ni mu. Dan ye we. I mean, because we could say, no more buying. I am machine.
Right.
I been get here. And pay the better was it. Oh, program, they be out of my end. This is a sumbo, the sweat in so. I could let this birthday or a also, a town. It's going to come up here. That's when I come and happy birthday, you back for me. Okay. Obama, me. Bye bye. Right,
bye bye, Martin. My man, happy birthday, you. I also with your friend 0554820910 0554820910 0201944485. For now, so that Nyankopon say hello, good morning.
Yeah, morning.
Me patch your frozen like a friend.
Gideon, because if you order.
Right, Gideon, me patch your mammy turn up pay.
Now, Medania, as I say, Oma after a quarter 3 years now. When you be I the anchor, Oma Papa Chair, so be I, that day in community, a demand. If you have the man, so if you have a boss, when I want to I could see Aqua and tell the man.
Right, Gideon, me so me that's so Gidi Gangu. All right, hello, good morning, Frost like a friend.
Hello, good morning.
Me patch your Frost like a friend.
About your family, I'm a cassette at my chassis.
Achima chassis for you, what to say?
You'll be a uncle for be a way.
Right, then Yamiasi. Maybe I don't pay and then Yamiasi.
And I'll pay the uncle Passy. I was just a pa or the share also. I will not now what you mean outside the answer now to go crack. Yet then I say, yes, then Uncle Pass, I'll go somewhere and home by. No for young channel, what you so. It's a was you for you now. Amen.
Yes, so hello, good morning.
Morning.
Maybe I draw a poem to say your frost and I can say friends.
Tango Pony me papa. Make us say at your massacre. That I found better.
Right, that I come and pay than Yamiasi.
I'm not paying Uncle Pass. Also, the power what tell what did be On the night, a normal, on the and quite automatic, show quarter, not the action, a new automatic. And last weekend, and Saturday, in the Pai Sium, 85 room, 72 room, just and Kuala, Mabawa, and Pennyfor Mirror, BH new. And that's what at the Pebichina, yes, oh, yes, a Bobra Pebi and a Brabo Kunkum be a Bontina, like at the Pebichin, Yakupana Dono, the Homo Bruno, and a Dawson, maybe as a man. So, if the Yakupa say, at the past fair action in the Busia, the Yakupa say, the Shankamo. On come home and you would give them. It's Christian as amen. Amen. Yes, so yeah, that's it. I was with me, friend. Right, bet me, friend. 0594. Sorry, 0594 841 044. Hey, I know your WhatsApp no. I do you. Right, hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open Yako Pound to me here. Announce your first like as a friend.
But I'm from James Mcasafin and Metro number 3. I'm
from Nawankasa from Hussein.
Medidi James.
Right, James, what kind of free?
Number 3.
Anyway,
the area.
Okay. So be on here or there?
Oh, be on here.
And then Uncle Ponsi. James, Chia, then Yamiasi. Oka, Hono. Yeah, you know about Hono free, or say more on.
But
yeah, also say I can make a choice. Say I actually more own animal now. Just Danyamiasi.
But Danyamiasi is in Yamaya, do my departure minimum bushing for. What says baby 9 years, I don't know what they are doing. Man, that's a team come as Dana and Canadian Bunkan, Madana. I don't see a man.
Amen. Yes, you're that's a man. I couldn't throw. Only come back yourself. So, Casavia, Unchia, Jaha, more on the mommy. Right, hello, good morning.
Good morning.
If I just like as a free.
7, not someone.
Not someone patrol as a free.
Because everyone.
Right. Nana sama pacho yenda nyamia se no pe.
Nyamia se. Oh, me cha. Achu ba ko ekewu. Asa ndi agwa achu we mo. Pesa na ko si ayi. Amen. Nana sama ya das ba. Eba fa mi enu bi na fe. Era proper chire wa ha. Ya to adwumadi no so dey ama 93.3 of your friend me come na cost me pacho on your frozen. Right, Mammy Pina.
If it is Juadanoa, the Sinedre, and Adam Kutu. It is a Bribia, I didn't see any Cabiamano. Oh, yes, to be more. Amen.
Amen.
Oh, young miss.
Hello, good morning. Your first one, Good morning,
but I'm Casafri.
Me batch your frozen.
A friend, me a queer, me tombins or bus stop.
Eh, queer, I advertise here. Grab me a boko.
Namia do moon, answer.
Ubi is not. Shall we that told me, Mammy? Okay. Ubi is a guy, why?
You, Mate.
Yamiasi.
On a friend, me then Yamiasi. I want to catch you away. And put a dance for a hair, so I'll be on my son, Mamma de Pebiachi. The Chamata about you, Moja suit them most to Sunday. And yet, Papa, and I see a train, and not them. And that's one corner one day. And then Yamiasi, I want to catch you away.
Amen. Right, you call when you know. And I shabu mami Philly beans be bad. And then I was and said no own station on a business guy pa. Baby pay beans pa me we badi ba kuni fru beans no. We watch first like as free. Me na ma ka se free aba me patro da nyamia so we my last call we na uchi ani pa mi ni why.
So I show you so now what you mubusumi mu. And I 26 the nyamia yasu. yɛda n'ase ɔnkɔ so a moyɛ ho ban yɛne ayɛnka adwumayɛfoɔ nyinaa bye.
Wanchia we last caller chia nipa tu.
Oh, mekyia me maame aboabo benkuwi ma akosatwa ɛna me ku na mase nkumafoɔ nyinaa madɔfoɔ nyinaa mtie obia.
Right, yeah, that's it. That's how sweet. Afraid. Yeah, sorry, it's me for call be. Yeah, afraid be nyankopon hwa no nya okese no nya wakoma so ade ma na wodwi. Wow, now person ka also friend. But na man na busy. This year na ye jai friend na fe na me hu. We na to me bubu na ni sa. Yeah, sorry. Wow, afraid be nyankopon hwa. I went to me and friends nya mi sha. Now person wo friend so nya mi sha. Na wodwi nya wakoma so ade nyina ma ka say amen. Right, mami twa me hombra na me koba. Ene ye juada oni tua. Show no. But then the question of the day, as my Ebu said, and say, what is that one thing? I dare back bang and I will rain feed that. There. Sade chrono, ure feed that. Ya would dang, ure feed that. There. Send the Fafa 0594 841044 and here WhatsApp and our friends to text message. T number nibi. Atopa bro. Alright, maybe 0594 841044 0594841044 deba de na ure mfida sa de ba ko bi nu ye wo den ure mfida senebra ye be kenkan de ama ye ba sisi a
Hey, woo, me shower warrior. Wait a minute to me. Show body in it. Now wait a minute, me shower warrior.
Woo, share, woo be jama warrior. Ya warrior.
Hey, I worry for. There be a more talker. No problem, Ube man, bra, or ban so bra. Bema, no problem, panicing. If you are, wash your Bamatisikayo Wadi, when Nimpimpo say practicing, or to say flat, no for crying Kumino, and getting Sanka Chadi, Nana George Nawa, Asidria, we are da.
If you're a Bissane say, Adriana Joa, Dino Timmy, and Cramon Kwan, I didn't so say kitty, mentishe.
Our for Mumbra, Mamin come for a Dumbi body home in Kuno and Famma. Sir, Otasha, a Dum TV, Dr. Samuel, Mimin the Bia Oban, almost solve no problem. Where we don't know, or Beman in Kua, Netuno, said Nidna Hone, no one so penny Bia, a Dumbi body home, Ebesian, where Kwaji a Dumbinti body home, a drone be. Now, Bema dear, when Nimunyam and a Beman, Esa, a man and pet, a Dumbi, Ebemoya, Bema, now so a bay, now Tatuna, Untimi, and Pepano, a Dumbi body home, Ebe Pepanini na skin rashes, and in Yagu who are one part Egu Awarian, Munko, a Dumbinti body home, Dr. Samuel Ebebuam.
If you're a
Dumbi body home in Kuno, O Pebiata.
Fred Doctor L 0246 232343.
Another one. What else? Yeah.
Entimian part akra no bidia semenia sese. Painti me painting na anu ye na ni apase.
Hey, atakra pan ya bu say. Ja takra ya bu papa. Enti wani soso kwaso wonim krom.
Ante afia pa. Ekro we mu. Ehemfa na painti papa wo asen krofo we ho.
Na no cheche. Bese na me nkocho ba bia ye ton foreign paint papa de Africa Canada and America and aba. Ye yankofo tubata ekọ kro kase mu koto edi nyina aba. First time American paint. One fra foreign paint ahudro nyina so ma colors no e dance.
Enti kroma ehemfa na sa Ghost time America paint for mehu wo.
Afa na wo kasa kwa Press Junction wo mo ho ana ash foam omo ne wo mo enedi animhwe. Fra wonom e wo 0242 270 966 ana 0558 231 558 ana 0548 650 009. Wamon krabata ni bi so e wo Kumase ene Nkoko. Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense Wabeka.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and you're ready Pediamu Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Kasian Kaya Wutini D and a Honka. Now Yamwa Sue wu nyina no ebo ye ho ban afiri ho enna wo mpo a omo wanyarewa ne dada na omo nom Dr. Enuro no ennom imbusaba mesa no a emo mo ahoden pintin ya wo mo ntimpo se yare ese omo ho imbusaba mesa ewo kansi eni o maimu babia yeto Enuro etufo mfre 0246 208496 imbusaba mesa police ni no edro no enkratwe FDA asayase.
Wow! MTN afa we ayasamude edima adrobafo edwadifo ashankafo akuafo won obua akuafo mo so anoba edibadwom afei de afa boa ma utimi kasa wo MTN so 1000 minutes ane so wonka kwehu krade a utimi ekasa 200 minutes on other networks so utimi kasa 20 minutes ubetua 6 Ghana cedis busumi bia na afa we yakwanya kese enu nti obia fa ne hunyem afa sa wo high pitches enu ne sen ebia na wo pe bibia to na nso na wo sika nu afa ma kwa ma atwa ne kakrakra eso pe ne afrew amo abeje ananya ye dia brew you yesanso ewo input credit enu ne sen ebia wo yokuani wo nya fertilizer wo nya no ba ana wo yedwadini wo nya kandia de be wadwuma se bia wo ton wache wo nya mo wo nya beans ne nyina afa eba bua nansa ka we nyina wo de ansa obefre 1848 afa atom. Wow!
Afediaba Pro Power Engine Oil, professional engine oil. Oil proji. Aya krepi Europe abrochi mama na se udi guka mu a engine su breo na esanso ye oil proji bia hwim frem na udi guka mu so a etumi di bosumi miensa adi konsia ane akire ansa na betumi asesa na ne boss da fom se breo na me se ashada ba eba be boa shankafo car owners ene obi odi car engine edi dwumadia Perfect Key Ventures and ashada kra engine oil way every Europe abrochimem abagana so wo achimdan ene npotema for Jalo Auto Part e wa Kamani Junction so wo suhum ene npotema Madam Esther Frank Toad Oils Cheese Auto Global Kwabenya Estate Super Spaces Auto Part ABC Junction Adenta Quant Enterprise Takwa Maku Eno Ventures suhum Asamakesi Kede Agunasodu baby bia transfer party bia okwa bodin so pe Pro Power Oil obenye biato na ye main head office no e wo Tuba Road Kaswa for 0200 023 797 0200 023 797 Pro Power Engine Oil. More power to your vehicle, more comfort to your journey. Number 1 fuel economy. Kai say Ghana Standard Authority ajatum say eye.
I go kill you with enjoyment.
Besine nipa pinu ano mo ntimi yie yase na wo bia nso ntimi ntiase da kwesi se wo do ho bekọ akọbọ South Brumrua Bank akane no na medi apreapre wo kwanya mefa so na medi misika besie na menya ho faso daache kosi so odofo bi kire me South Brumrua Bank a medi me ho kọ share o mo share sa no mo tonim enne se na misika mu atretra medi mfaso puduyi entimi nu ebranu nie se onso betimi do ho abebata sika bia soronkwen esanse South Brumrua Bank de wa dane ne ho asorobo a wo fa ne nyonko akotokro nka soro da wo to shares ni bia wo nso aba be kasika kura bia yi ho na se dodo a wo beto no na be kire mfaso a wo benya na mfaso bia nso a bank ni benya no nso ka ho bi sika kura bia yi nyio enti nso tumrika na nso fa ho be babusua bi entwen no anka se mihunu yanka esanse from nti wo da nti wo ti ho anu apete fa bia kosie baabi se de be ya daachi wo benya so mfaso na baabi sa wo hwehwe no ene South Brumrua Bank enti ye de ye bie ya proma mo bia abusua asempetia enti eni sika kra bia mpanifo eni nkomo e wo
0501584895 ana 0501584890 ana say 0501633188
Enija Benye, with the Siosrani Joe, ICM UK, and a unique diploma college, a kabom, and not why you can so they want to stamp at Timasi. Now you assume that TA, so person we HND course BTS marketing, accountant, human resource, computer science, and then 6 months to 2 years. Now we here a boarding crata certificate, if ICM UK and a unique diploma college at the Bemau, would do a Juma Biamuno, near far, anopa, and any numeric classes in nyina weekend nso shelai a remedial classes and our person we are all SHS core and elective subjects no we ye nyina a teacher for ni tiri wa bobil woni nimde into tron we chane once near kumini on double track system a green and ase gold ubefia omo be chewade simple amwa be pabene asem danu nie enipa duo no 20 people a ebedi kan pick form no mu dem 50% scholarship
Shanenso say ye free computer classes and a biometric registration at the math students nyina
hwehwe wona chi kwan e wo achim odan Kwame no way abansuru ni mu a omo first floor ana ji asem nchire mu efa matrofo iso 0540779363 Unique Diploma College UDIC your success our priority
Ejumaye.
Manu
your girl Frescaline, and I'm tuning into Kwabena Kwesti.
Right, so 18 minutes into our 11, you still tune in to Ahinkan 93.3 FM, Juma. And I was so good out here. If today happens to be your birthday, happy birthday, Kasia Pan Fan, come on. National Society share the same birthday with Prior. Honeho, Choir Master. Today happens to be his birthday, Eugene Kojo Buaduba. Eugene Kojo Buaduba. Better known by his stage name, Choir Master. Right, so he is a Ghanaian hip life Afro pop singer, songwriter, record producer, and also entrepreneur. I hope you all know him, yeah. Right, so he was the leader of the group Prior. Before you know, he went solo and all of that. Right, so today happens to be Choir Master's birthday. Right, so on this note, let's do this song from Prior. I am my shoddy one. That's right.
I will make it right.
Something in common when you're not to say I am my shorty. I want can I let no go for me. Miss Molecho, tell me who na baby I am yo. Oh me da no do no go for me. Miss Molecho, tell me who na baby I am yo. Oh me da no do I am my shorty. I want I am my shorty.
Joe, challenge really is why you tasty. It's a meeting coming at Boston. Angelina,
body go round, don't be shy, baby. Do some 2-3 steps to your back, front, back. Wait a minute, girl. Don't forget to put your underwear up when it's down. Now shake your belly left, right, front, back, turn around and smile. Hey, now wait a minute, girl. Don't forget to put your underwear up when it's down. Now shake your belly left, right, front, back, turn around and smile. Hey, now wait a minute, girl. Don't forget to put your underwear up when it's down. Now shake your belly left, right, front, back, turn around and smile. Angelina Nkuta, Angelina de Capri. Otumi was on the woman, Mr. Penning Bunuja, Angelina Nkuta, Angelina de Capri. Otumi was on the woman, Mr. Penning Bunuja, Angelina Nkuta. Sasa Shibarene Sasa, Macarena de Mapuga. Shigome, Angelina Nkuta. Sasa Shibarene Sasa, Macarena de Mapuga. Shigome. Sasa Shibarene Sasa. Sasa Kagani Bae. Macarena de Mapuga. Shigome. Sasa Shibarene Sasa. Sasa Kagani Bae. Macarena to the dance floor. Shigome. Alright, yeah. Say I saw ya basa. Say I superu. Say I don't so swag. Say I saw ya basa. Say I go swag. Say I boy.
Right, it's your next your mighty man birthday. So happy birthday to the superstar, the young kid. Mighty man, so happy to be your birthday, bro. Go put shout on your guest Japan. Right, so on Facebook. Nana K for Sudan Kwa. I see you coming a great show. Said John says, all right, I think I've read this already. Shaba Aqua. Great job, Costi. Messages in the because I don't know. Me phone here. Right, so Color Studios and Vigata Embroidery, the patron, wedding photography, birthday photography, studio photography, picture framing, passport picture. Thinking I be our Color Studios and Vigata Embroidery. Yes, bra. Young fixer one time for school crash, church Lacoste embroidery, school Lacoste embroidery, Fresh Star embroidery, and obviously cap embroidery. Opesa Ushia Senia. You trap photo shooting the idea about yes, bra. Then also you train the idea. Nafako bra. You watch him on Liberty Upseed Canal Pharmacy. From 0245276638. 0245276638. So I told you earlier. Say Achim was beautiful. The man baby fia. They be a metanka say man on me come up. Son of four pound. Mama who's on my pan. Right, Mamma come channel for many women didn't come on out. I am proper from out here on the show 93.3 FM. Achim most beautiful. Angelina about your episode, comes off this and every Saturday 6:30 p.m. Our Emmanuel Presby Hall. Our Chimadan Chroma. Hey, free gate and Jessica. It's a common experience, a great culture of the people of Achim. To vote for your favorite contestant, our phone number dial is star 711 star 52 star 711 star 52 Now for you to just one Ghana city. I have about 5 lists here. But I don't know, it's a eviction at KB Mudia. I can't tell. They are here to tell me. It's maybe a eviction at KB Mudia. There's one of them, I don't know. Maybe because of no smarts into me. My kid sister has been posting one of them. Mommy Rouse, what you say? What they say, we know what the proper training at the idea. Maybe I will call.
I do not say.
It ain't go fancy me who had the pants I shall phone. My answer as I want to do, Anna.
Hopefully, I say I'm here for, but 2 on their way.
Okay, they're not coming there. Right.
Yeah, Victor Bako.
Right, so there were 5.
Yeah.
Okay, until last time I was Obaya, Yakiki, Ajo Adepa, Efiaso, and Abena Load.
So Yakiki is out.
Yakiki, oh, ha! You know, I think last 2 weeks or something, me voted my Yakiki.
Really?
Yes, and Abena Load. And the reason is, my daughter is Abena Kiki.
Okay.
Yes, so me voted my Yakiki and Abena Load. and unfortunately, Yaki Kiko. My same vote. Right, it's Saturday we came to episode 10 now.
So far, near 6 episodes. So we are done with 5 episodes already. Until Saturday, we have a final episode. Near co-finals. Until Saturday, we have semi-final. This is the last episode we are having.
Right. My bar open you.
Sir, now do you see?
Sammy catch us a surprise you. Sammy catch you. I was there. I think Dana Tiago Busy came to perform.
Oh, okay.
I was there and I wasn't feeling too good, so I left early.
Okay.
Sammy catch us a member, but me my own. Yeah, of course. And trust me. Na me nim omudini ye. Once me fi want them. I was rooting for Yaki Kido, but since we free money there, you be fan sa na appropriate training and that. Me nim nzo because of the name. I just vote man. Right, my member ladies in so now for me ni omundin komo. Let me start from you. Mpacho what want to say?
Boko.
Maybe a boko there.
Bachai.
The Nyankopon. Mpacho udini na ye there no.
Abna Lord.
Oh, me vote back obedi ho yes sir. Don't disappoint me so na Yaki Ki disappoint me no. Don't disappoint me. Right, Mami Busa wo Adentina we choose say opese oba achi most beautiful.
You tell me choose 10% batch is most beautiful and say I want to achieve my aims.
And that is
person me drop and pencil be like me come miss my like Ghana's most beautiful no. Yeah.
Yes, will be about them or both free, and I can say, or shall see free, right? It's no, or shall see free, or na fee, other property on crania. Ever far, I mean, young bomb pie say, Ube winnie. It's no, Mosha say no, sending out Odikan kind, I think say 4 episodes already, and right, not feeling it to say.
No,
now, your mouth tax via you're the man. You felt it already so same me be an visa.
And shut down so same be visa.
But the other man you were able to handle it. Preparations now I'm not saying you're the mom a week before or a day or how.
Nah, after Saturday, never Sunday, not their team. You know I prepare.
Now that made me about how na because a man chow what but I don't know. Munya we are there back and I should be a
tax ne de adia baako but once say in words and meanings no what definition bebre
exactly obia in fact obia call beauty pageant and obia call competition man the person wants to win obia a bomb pie so no baby mama busa question wait what makes you different from the other ladies how if you say I'm winning this crown
never me different say metimi gina nipa dom anim kasa and rings no eboma wusia de bebre because say maba na de Instagram ne social media handles na ya ni je ho but we wusia de na wo beka e ma look different just woni mama mre ni nyina wo da ha no mo like baby a free buy ye na kwanya o da fast buy ye o da
and no one kasa na your research and has no so a team na juma
now one are your research
yeah. Right. Mommy called the next lady. Abom to say.
Maybe
I think you are the one my sister has been posting.
Yes.
You know me?
Of course.
Really?
Yes.
What did you hear then?
Obaya.
Yes, Ayowa. Because so in background can ask them.
Hi.
Your friend is
Steph.
True. That's my kid sister. She has been posting you. Now we just say, hey, there's a kiki inside there. Now me hear favoritism kakra, but from an corner, Lord there would me vote there. From an corner, who me there. Why?
Right. No
right. Mami Busa also the same question I asked your sister. What makes you different? And answer what makes you different.
Okay. First of all, me chia obi biara oti sa showing. Madam was saying so opportunity a modi amame. Fa ne e mame ye
you okay now? All right, Shabu, okay. I think so she's okay.
Ne mame ye so different from me competitors na your competition them say. I have an extra grace with me.
Extra grace.
Yeah.
Well, punchline pound.
And I'm super talented.
All right.
Yeah, that's what makes me different.
Different. Do you think you're going to win?
Yes, I know I'm going to win.
Tell me why you think you're going to win.
Okay, thank you very much. Why I'm going to win is that I have the favor of the Lord with me.
Favor na.
I'm good in performance.
Let me tell you this thing. I once told someone, say, the reason I think I'm winning, yeah, now you didn't come over here. I say, Charlie, I said, no more queen. I'm saying, it's because of the favor of God. And then she told me, I don't want to. You see? So why I don't know.
Oh, and you mean but when you believe in yourself and you know what exactly you want,
exactly,
you work towards it,
right.
And that's exactly what I'm doing.
I don't know me here free. When you believe in yourself, but the favor, I think you have the favor. Then you're bomb fire. Right, my member sir wants to this question. Yama certain tax beer you felt me finding difficult, even on the day of rehearsals. Ultimate team now was have a chance here, and then you said to yourself, say, man, showing you on that day, Saturday, man, showing you me back.
Okay, me can say tax no the my any day. Obvious there towards exams, but questions never. You definitely need some research. Unim all right, but you need some other things to add up to it. True. And how you're going to present your tax, A honor saying you need more rehearsals because questioning the obianum question you're the questioning so obia questioning the same. But it depends on you how you're going to present it.
Okay. Judges be and as a judge be discourage you that say you did very well, but the remarks was like it put you off.
It's a competition. You need to accept everything. Although you would know, say, I don't know why it's extra good, but and so be any. That doesn't mean I don't know and you're right.
And you're right.
Exactly.
Right, Lord. I'm going to answer the same question. You feel say, and then me bomb home more than pan, but as someone judge in the kind, a boomer be me kumi soon bizarre.
Nah.
A bit soon da. Oh yeah, sure. See. This obedient why are dear palm? But Robert can say, me for a example. The time this guy last mate, yes. Also, why are the palm? But any day. You see, when you search judge, how do you say, o kun soon, o kun cry, o kun be out the rush stage in the be I call Munya Bisada. Ebia, yes, and that day. Trimunu, why are they? But then remark neighbor they are not forcing, they're not trying for me at all. You share with that.
David.
And I think that judges on trouble in your thing. Because Mumunya will be to start to pan him the old no share black no. Or this year New Year so by Shane for that. And you know obey be I will catch you say and you fit. Right, my member say more. At least Saturday when so Saturday you may not be here, and na me also share with Facebook. I think Citizen or not Citizen.
Yeah.
Yes. He was streaming live on Facebook. Now, be sure. And I felt their mimicry, so there was a technical problem in the sound. Meaning say if you are on the side there and I say be if you more silence. I remember say how well and I would check his sounds before the day.
Okay, we check it twice. When we are done with the setup and when we are about to start, we also check it. But last week Saturday, like because of time, my friend say your time, when the ladies were about to change, the artists I invite some brano. Unfortunately, didn't meet our time. So my stage in so a back cry.
Okay.
So that is how it happened.
Okay, because now me hear Juma, but me try say me share send you beya Michelle Modakwa na makacho mo say sound na nye. Yes, into I think say explanation I'm a Matthias here. Right, let me come back to my beautiful ladies. They be I can. In fact, me humo picture I say crew mama one for pound. No marks in the end me shada humo because my pictures are me who pan no marks in there. In fact, yes, they are taking it off. I'm joining me live on Facebook. I have actually most beautiful ladies in Ewofia. I have Obaya and also Abena Lord. Yes, Abena Lord did me vote back, but I promise I won't DBM. Alright, so join me live on Facebook. I have 93.3 FM, and I said, me handle of Facebook, Kobina Costi on Facebook. The video is streaming live now. Making kind of messages and from be our person will catch up, whatever you want to tell them, just drop it under the video, and I'll be glad to read them here for you. Alright, so I have my member this side. I think I have a message here. Hey, glass and go out of her. Glass and go on. Alright, so I'm the Benjamin PLC, yo, bro Costi. This your bro Bempong. I'm viewing you live on campus. Keep the fire burning. I think this message. Messages in the Metro BAD. Yes, what fan Metro BAD. We say I cannot. That's one too. I'm not reading. Really, in fact, it was beautiful. Was I receive a call from Jesus Christ? I grow my dear. I didn't go for. Even to a friend, I come for. Charlie, read this message. Read it. Now, here's a bit my account. Yeah, right. I'm checking your official page on Facebook now. Message back home. Me and be a wahona for from my. But before them, I made some brown musubi. Me pacho code and as a voting process is now at the saying, Lord. So be person voting. How is the process like?
Oh, obey me at dial star 711 star 52 hash, and in that process, no send new year. Abna Lord, me didn't decline. Now I vote me. Into a number of votes no ebeba. We have 1 city for 1 vote, 5 cities for 5 votes.
Maybe yes, uncle process in the
You just dial star 711 star.
Maybe I want to vote for you again. Star
711 star
117
star 711
okay,
star.
Right, I have it here. Star
711 star
11 star
52 hash
52
hash.
And
right. You send there.
You send.
Abna Lord number 1.
And by there be almost an error. Okay. Please try again later. Let's try again. Star 711 star 52 now fay. What's send? Maybe what would tell you you can also do same. Now what vote ma either Obaya. Okay, I think about welcome to AMB 2021. Choose a contestant. Abena Lord, Ajwa Depa, Ifia, Aso, Obaya, and Yakiki. Right. I think Yakiki free.
Yeah, Yakiki is being evicted, but because you're winning, yeah.
Right, so I have number 4 on the list. That is Obaya and Abena Lord. Yes, into Mami Voti.
But when you use the link, Yakiki's picture is not there
anymore.
Yeah, until vote here Enko.
Oh, okay. So aside this process, you have a link process.
Yeah, we
okay.
have a link. One say Obi or Harper, so use a link.
A link,
yeah.
Okay, right. Okay. Into my Abena Lord did anyway. Mami, Obaya, yeah, showing the process. Is it the same process? Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay. Let me vote for you to answer my bias. Yes. Now, me pacho yeah share link and so now for you who say na you be vote and also. Ebi ano wa also person vote through the internet. Yeah, e-voting. Also obetumi a vote or the link na send me and all they send me and I say obeka.
Oh, me the best send no link you need to me nka.
Wow, http / Right. I have a message here. Come now, as a dark skinned girl, how much is she expecting me to vote so I can start straightforward? Oh, my days. All right. Maria mentioned back or send the message. It's in Abena Lord, right? So voting in it. Sorry, message in the Mr. Can be. As come now, as the dark skinned girl. How much is she expecting me to vote? No, how much is she expecting me to vote so I can start straightforward? I don't understand. My name is what I said there.
And that's King Girls and some you too.
I'm here too exactly. Any kind of camera back on. Listen, there are 2. Oh my eyes. My body. All right, so I have the link here. Okay. It's no one me personal contact no me share now me share my status now so what me follow na what me vote e dey ama omo. Nelson, where am I voice? Nelson, my voice. I don't know, me name dey open. Oh, okay. And I make sure say Nelson I'm here too. That's King Girls no me too. Obaya at say me and ya lord so to say me but just say me no me half cast ntino difference kakra e wo no ntino me nim ne a wo pese wo kire de but
come na they didn't go no ne kokon to mo kasa se no bizanze how much obese me ntuma no do say na me ntuma no
ma me share video me share camera no so I think so I so that will go okay so lord there wa any answer
and the omude no better mentuma no omude na mentuma no
all right it's where am programs manager Branelson it was omude it's really told you more yan hwe de be omude no to mam sisi I know the scar one ho pa
per 500 votes
per 500 votes right it's Nelson ubo star 711 star 52 hash abena lord also per 500 votes ya kiki upese.
Yeah, from your
sorry, Obaya, sorry, Obaya, I'll say.
Maybe any voter he wishes to vote for me.
Right, it's you PM. Wasuma. Right. Yeah, dear, see, without me and property, I mean, if you have anything else to say now. Yeah.
So far, our tickets are out for the final day. Your tickets out in Timipacho Saturday. Oba program na Salvania tickets in Ibiato, and our ladies too will be having some of the tickets. I think single 15 Ghana cedis. And
final day in because of
Pacho Rivoli.
No.
Old Town Public Park.
Okay. But this coming Saturday, the Presby
Pacho any semi-final, so it's packed. So come and have fun. Last episode into come let's have fun. Oba Abenya tickets in Ibiato. Single 15 Ghana cedis and a couple 25 Ghana cedis. And I'll say enjoy your VIP reception and so 50 Ghana cedis.
That's the VIP side here.
Yes, please.
VIP side no Father Dixon. Meaning some money na Father Dixon and peace Father Dixon. I think Father Dixon. Yes. Me sure. Meaning so Father utie dey am say disappointing 50 cities they wait my promising probably 600 echinena ya preparatory ni ada now lord final one ekwan ya be first of vote we are now fe obaya nso o ma yehu ekwan ya be first so avote amani bi
ope so vote ma abna loader you just dial star 711 star 52 hash within that process no meeting the kind abna load then you choose number of votes abeso vote mama no we ain't no about momo code asho. Thank you.
All right. Obaya me pacho ma mintie also there.
Okay. Me pacho answer na no me acknowledge me sponsors kakra. Okay. Me da odamai ase achiasemai so me da mase da sebre jenin kente me da na sebebre me da me mame Doris Otri and so ase CEO for Coco Benz group of companies me da mase bebre Team Obaya and so Madam was say pa I was support model supporting but coming Saturday way yes sure more me pese obi biara ebeba Presby conference room ho no oma ba be hyen yen kasa bebre semi finals mo dia mombra na mo family emehye enema pa ye big shout out to my secret manager Kobe Praise any other citizen. Answer na obe voti ama
Kobe your secret manager.
Hi.
How is he your secret manager?
Me who Chambers na ma describe.
Hey Kobe 113 move and do. Udim okasa na me I think we process man hwe ni ye. And I'm coming here 5 cities. My voting 5 cities. I'm Lord, me the one. Me should me 5 account. Right, it's your secret part of that. I know he's listening by now.
Kobe Praise, Mechi and Baby, Medana say, or dance citizens so Meda on one say. Organizers for AMB, Onyame Onsha Munina. Answer na obe voti ama obaya no. Obe dial star 711 star 52 hash. Now I send it to number 4 Obaya. A vote is 1 CD. Into every vote be a person vote mami. Madam was.
Right, yes, so yeah, Damasi. Thank you so much for passing through. I can't be back home.
Okay. Madam sponsors I say.
Right.
Madam Gen Media I say. Madam Reginald Ventures and so I say. And a Madam Nokrafo so I say. Mido Bibia I say. Meda. Nipa meda na se pa ayo brimpon Jemfi
onye shatawali but oye pa
ayo brimpon Jemfi chire kronte him for Akim Kutuku nyana onkwaso nana nyame nshira nana obada se wo moa yenhia wo anke him baby enam ena achim man penifo youth ni ye ni ye dia eni nti se mefa ne se nipa ba ye tent se me na monya disade hu nti sei na se ma amboa o ma na mo se ye mfa he meso ye mpanifo am achime mo se youth no enya disade hu bia na se mo pese amoba mo na so amesire mo e ma mo nto am nchene mo mboa wo na jumedie bi am de semani so no enye krabehwe na emfa ni monyam hye embra achim ememo me da obi biara ase
yeah, that was unfortunately say after ladies need but all the producers need mommy sign your time was so
we would just like to introduce them, that is all.
I don't know if they will allow me. Atopa oyineni Right, so you just heard Achim most beautiful beauty pageant. My man, in fact, they be a cancer very beautiful. Like, you know, I used to say this all the time. My name is first time somebody I say bring me a movie and now who will be out to me advance about who need that. Now one day I remember the first time I saw Mugis. That was 2011. Charlie me collapse here. And then who Obaya and also Abenalo. Obaya, I think I've been seeing her pictures every day on my sister's status. Me who need the piano vote for her. Minim ahia ono so aya vote ni ade ba. Be fa nsa. Mo fast that ma anana to pan here. Also oyesi. So just 2 minutes. Right, maybe I want to know your body tell the go. Match pa. Meaning back home. Angelina. I think I know this one. Mom said plane anka ya fa this anka ya cool. Anka mo airport, anka mo maba airport crown anka you two at the kokra. I'm what to say. Well, real quick, mom started from wow black no. Udi you saying? If you are so. Okay, you are 4 on the list. Yeah, list number 1 4. And you say yeah, kick your from the away adwa de pa. Right? Adwa de pa. Okay, me busa mo 1 or 2 questions be real quick. Mami busa, so why do you want to win the competition?
I want to win this competition because I have a lot of projects on mind.
Bra, Mike no kakra. Shabu, abeg check the thing give am. You say you have a lot of
me projects be brave.
Projects.
Me fashion.
Every day dem bomb come on.
Me person me boa afofro no. Especially over me society wana. Nkorane be brain e wo ho mo pe school ko.
Pe school ko bolo fo kwa.
Me pacha.
One love ni mensa.
Inte many that so me to omo fo. Me bo omo. Ama school no omo to me akọ. Because in there no so one cool school want me do bibia.
True. True. And anything now person we winning now ultimi eye bibia de boa nkofo in your community, yeah.
Me pacha.
Right. My show was voting process na ve yam voting ma real quick pa.
Me pacha be dial star 711 star 52 ash if you aso. Right. Ajo adepa. You are know you ba uni me. Uni wa me ni mo pa. Ayo.
Right, my mission was voting process now. We are what's our chairman in tell person win competition.
Okay, you per se, o mami jina jumedi mucha. Wait me darling star 711 star 52 ash. Ajoa the park contestant number 2. Only can make me but contestant number 2. That was I had. Come because someone they were like, eh, bro for 7 kwa. Ba on so person wo mami ka jumedi enu ma. Hwana na odi bro for be say had no. Right, it is say person wo kema. And only star 711 star. Sorry, star 711 star. Okay, 52 ash near voting. I might be a draw the part, right? Okay, now we see what we need. Man, unfortunately, didn't come on in quite baby. Why? Yeah, more far and chem because producers didn't make not to find there. I want to hear me console, me GM Susuti, probably to so I want to keep my job. Alright, that's right. Right, so thank you too much. Thank you so much for passing through. Yeah, Saturdays, you know, I'll be there. I promise you, I'll be there. And I'm buying no, not still. Once that Michelle say me home family now me cry. Yes, not still na never home to this Saturday I'll be around. Yeah. Okay. It's actually most beautiful A and B and it's urban color.
Angelina to me beside channel say yes I want me brown merry go round don't be shy baby do some 2-3 steps to your back front back wait a minute girl don't forget to put your underwear up when it's down now shake your belly left right front back turn around and smile hey now wait a minute girl don't forget to put your underwear up when it's down now shake your belly left right front back turn around and smile hey now wait a minute girl don't forget to put your underwear up when it's down now shake your belly left right front back turn around and smile Angelina Nkuta Angelina de Capoe Otu mi wusu ni uma mesro nani mbunu da Angelina Nkuta Angelina de Capoe Otu mi wusu ni uma mesro nani mbunu da Angelina Nkuta Sasa shibere ni sasa Makarena ni mapuga Shigome Angelina Nkuta Sasa shibere ni sasa Makarena ni mapuga Shigome Sasa shibere ni sasa Sasa kaka ni bae Makarena ni mapuga Shigome Sasa shibere ni sasa Sasa kaka ni bae Makarena suni dansa Shigome Alright, yeah, say I saw ya basa Say I superu Say I danso swag Lisa Say I saw ya basa Say I go swag Say I bohe I saw ya pipi Ento la ta Go ngado wa bohe rock babo I saw ya pipi Ento la ta Batimba mo take it to catch your song Yo Bacho what's up papa Mami akona sentis what's up Papa la bona ti trap what's up Ono yami ina yami wono yami Sa atele ekela na ya Every two every sa Dala tu si agbada Atowa she come sa menkia Every sa koko Every sa bohe Every sa get to pop it so pete Sa Atiki bum Atiki bum Atiki bum Sa si beru ni sa Sa kaka ni bae Macarena ni mapuka Shigome Sasa si beru ni sa Sasa kaka ni bae Macarena suni dansa Shigome Just to do what's on the booty See me so come me soon see me so sada I'm good Just to do what's on the booty See me so come me soon see me so sada The way used to have the wa Used to have a da You yana to ma And that's to talk about But nowadays
Right, folks. 58 minutes into the hour left. Still tuning to Ahinkan 93.3 FM. My name is Jenny, me champion Boaten Cosmos. Call me Bruce Money. Call me Kovna Costi. Call me a Branty the perfect gentleman. And Hana Yedi Ebesiama one day Monday. When you as a Tuesday, so you have a baby now for you have a proper nice pound amount. Uhuma Chroma from your football talk by Unuma Ultra Bear when you're a Bema Gemma. Ikru Abuji Todi. One door. Up next is news. Stay tuned. Good morning.